and welcome back to Cat's Corner, the corner of the internet where we're very crooked. Hold on a second. Hey y'all, and welcome back to Cat's Corner, the corner of the internet where I hide cat's madness. Today I'm going to be doing a video I've not done for a very long time. I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. Because I've filmed this video like 3 months in a row and never posted it, so might as well do it this month. So let's just jump right into it. So this month's theme is vacation. Nothing to say about that. And as usual, this little card comes with a little, comes with a list of what you're getting in your box and little details of the prices and how they're used for. Let's start with this thing because it was on the top. This is the Pretty Vulgar blush in the shade Hush Blush. I like the packaging. It looks really pretty, but it feels kind of flimsy. My light changed. I've only tried like one Pretty Vulgar product, and that was a lipstick, so I am excited to try this out. Oh, and this retails for, where did it go? $23.15. I think they had to convert the currency to US dollars instead of pounds. Is this from the UK, I think? Might have been pounds, might have been Canadian dollars, might have been Australian dollars for all I know. I don't know where Pretty Vulgar's based. And whoa. That, do you see that? That's very powdery. Tap that off. I don't have a mirror, so we'll use the viewfinder. It's really pretty. It's just like a matte peachy blush. Yeah, I don't use matte blushes all that often, but I'm excited to give this a try. Next in the box is these. These are the South Main 3 eye gel packs, so it comes with 3 eye gels. I really like under eye masks. It says they reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize under the eyes. I do tend to have dark circles under my eyes and kind of dry under eyes, so these are really good. This retails for $26. No, that is the wrong thing. Oh, okay, so I read this wrong. So this retails for $26. The brush set that's coming up is what I read wrong. Okay, so these retail for $10. There we go. Now we're back on track. So it just comes with 3 little eye masks. I love her eye masks. They're even better if you like stick them in the fridge for like overnight and then use them in the morning. They are so good to help like wake you up and reduce any puffiness if you didn't get enough sleep that night, and I love them. So can't wait to try those. Next up is this, which I mixed up the price for. These are the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set, which these are $23.15. I have tried a couple of vintage items, maybe just one. I only remember one, but I am excited for these. They are okay. So the first brush is this little fluffy angled brush. They actually have steps on them. This one is step 2 for the shadow. But it's like this really nice fluffy angled brush. It doesn't have, when you like kind of pull on them lightly, it doesn't fall out. So next one. Okay, there they are. This is this is like a flat dense brush. It says step 1 for the money. Number 2 is the fluffy angled brush. It says step 2 for the shadow. And then finally it is this little flat dense smudger brush, and it says step 3, go girl go. So I'm going to be using these brushes with, this is Boxycharm's collaboration with Pure. It is a eyeshadow palette. It retails for $36. So let's try to open this. As all of Pure's products are, it is cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and vegan-friendly. That's a weird way to phrase it. It could have just said that it was vegan eyeshadow, but it's vegan-friendly. But I do like how this looks. It's a nice, clean background, and it's got like the little, don't know if you can see it, but it's got like the little Boxycharm hearts all over it. Ooh, it's so pretty. So it just looks like this. It's got a couple of transition shades here, and then a whole bunch of shimmers with a couple little pops of color. I'm so excited for this. I think I'm going to start with this shade called Perfect and run that through my crease. And I'm going to use the little angled brush. Actually, I'm going to mix this one called Perfect and this one next to it, which is kind of orangey, called Nike. I'm going to take this matte purple shade right here on a really small brush. It's called BFF, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner. And then I'm going to blend it with the same like little fluffy angled brush. And then I'm going to take this light pink shimmery shade here on the step 1 for the money brush. And it is called, so I'm going to take this one, it is called Bay, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Like that. It was very pigmented even when the brush wasn't wet, and I love this palette. Like, last thing in my box is the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. It says it gives you 200% thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. Those are pretty specific percentages, but this retails for $20. Whoa, look at that. That is huge. What the heck? What the heck? It's got like an okay sized wand, but this bottle is huge. So, I just realized I did something kind of stupid. For some reason, I was thinking I would use the smudger brush to put my under eyeliner on after I did my mascara. Why I was thinking that, I don't know, but I'm going to put a little bit on, hopefully not ruin this mascara. Okay. That is uneven. That looks weird, but that's because I screwed up. So. So that actually went okay. It did clump up a little bit, but after combing it out with another coat, it seemed to work out alright. And it did make my lashes much fuller and thicker and darker. Yeah, I really like it. But this eye looks much better because, well, for one thing, I actually did the under eye part correctly on that side. And for some reason, this side for the mascara was just really clumping up. And yeah, let's just ignore this half of my face altogether. I'll film the rest of this like this. So I'm actually really happy with everything I got in my Boxycharm this month. Side note, just because I wanted to test it, this shade Charmer is a really pretty highlight. Ooh, I like that. Okay, anyway, I got distracted. Okay, the last thing in this box is this, okay, so 25% off your next $50 purchase with Butter London using the code CHARM25. And then on the side of the box here, is for the vintage brushes is 25% off any online order at the Vintage Cosmetics company, and with the code SMOKY25. So there's 2 coupon codes for you that I will put in the description. So anyway, the overall value of this box was $115.15. So that is over 5 times the price I paid for this box, which I think is a really good thing. That Boxycharm always has at least $100 worth of products in all their boxes, and I really like that. I am really liking these brushes. They are nice and soft and cute, and they're actually full-size brushes, unlike the Luxie brushes we got in Boxycharm a little while ago, which I wasn't all that happy about. So I like it when they send full-size brushes. I really love this palette. It has so many pretty shades and I love it. And then I'm liking this blush, but I'm not sure how much use I'll get out of it, mainly because it is matte and I just prefer a shimmery blush. I like the Double Decker mascara. It did give a lot of volume to my lashes. I'm just really confused why this is such a huge freaking tube. And I am so excited to try these eye masks. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you are interested in Boxycharm, I will leave them linked down below. And if you do have Boxycharm, tell me what variation you got this month. Oh yeah, I got variation number 1. Stay beautiful, stay fabulous, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!